Hey, it's Brown Kickstart PPC, and today I'm going to show you how to effectively measure your Amazon PPC performance using Scale Insights. We're not only going to show you what to look at, but we're going to show you to actually enter the data so you have the accurate stuff to show you whether you're profitable or not. So let's jump into it. Now, when analyzing your Amazon PPC data, you're going to be looking at especially what TACoS is, as well as what your margins are. So if you want to have your margins up to date, you need to make sure the cost of goods are entered as they need to be. So to actually get this done, you need to go over to the products page here. And this is going to give you the opportunity to add everything in. So here, it'll typically say add in this section. But in case that you've already entered something already, you can go in and edit it as you see fit. So you can make it $1, make it whatever you like, break it all down by where it's coming from. So freight cost, production cost. You can add in, your production days, your freight time. You can add in how much is in a warehouse. So you have specifically very good product details on Scale Insights. Scale Insights is not only just about giving you the right profitability metrics, but it's about showing you when you should be restocking. It uses its AI tool so that it analyzes your sales data and gives you an accurate forecast of when you should be sending stock into Amazon. So it's quite good in that way, but go ahead, fill this all in. It's quite easy to do. And once you've done this, just go on the main dashboard here and you'll see that the profits reflect what you've entered. So everything you've done there should show up here and you'll have a very good idea on your business, because if you're not knowing what your profits are, then you might be sinking. You might not be doing as well as you think. So relying on TACoS is great, but profits don't lie. So make sure you know your numbers. Make sure you have all the stuff in Scale Insights set up. And if you need help with any of this, absolutely reach out to us. We're a Scale Insights partner. So if you need help with Scale Insights, anything, you can talk to us. We'll set it all up for you, get these COGS up for you, as well as set up our own automations. We have our own custom set of rules that we apply to our clients. So we did that as well. But to actually reach out to us, you need to go in the description and there's a link there. So you can click that. That'll give you an option to get a free audit, contact us with your issue, and we'll be able to help you out. So if you don't have Scale Insights already, for whatever reason, we have a 10% off lifetime discount code in the description. You can get a 30-day free trial without need for a credit card. So really valuable offer there if you're not already a Scale Insights user. And if you want to learn more about Scale Insights, you can look at our YouTube channel, subscribe, and we have a ton of Amazon PPC FBA content as well. So a lot of value there that you can watch for free. So until next video, hope you guys have a good one and we'll see you soon. Bye.